Population and shortage of food. A family with one or two children is called a small family. The family with three or more number of children is a big family. It is easy to maintain a family with less number of children. They can be given nutritious food. They can be properly attended. Better facilities can be provided to them. The same thing happens in a country. A country with limited population can develop in all respects. Better facilities can be provided to the people living in that country. The number of people living in a particular place, that is, in a village or a town or in a country, is called its population. Census is taken in a country once in every 10 years. According to 1981 census, the population in a country is 68.4 crores, whereas the population according to 1991 census is 84.79 crores. It means that within a period of 10 years, the population in our country has increased more than 16 crores. The population in our country is increasing day by day. What happens if there is no sufficient food? The people are starved to death. The children will not grow healthy. They may fall sick and suffer with many diseases. They cannot read, play, or work efficiently. The total work done by population will be reduced. The weak and sick people cannot serve the country better. A country should be in a position to provide proper food to all its people. Since independence, our government adopted many new methods to improve food protection. Our farmers could achieve double the production by adopting scientific methods in agriculture. In spite of these efforts, many people are not having enough of food to eat. This shortage of food is due to increase in population day by day. The rate of growth in population is much more than the increase in food production. If every family is a small family in a country, the population of a country will be under control. All the people in the country can get enough food. They will be healthy and strong. They can work better for the country. Important points. A family with one or two children is called a small family. The family with three or more number of children is a big family. In a small family, the children can be looked after well. They can be given nutritious food and better facilities. In large families, the children cannot get sufficient nutritious food. The number of people living in a country is its population. The country with limited population can prosper well. In our country, every year 1.36 crores of new population is added to the existing one. The land area in a country cannot grow as the population grows. Cultivable lands remain the same. Shortage of food results as the food produced in the limited land is to be distributed among many people. The population of a country will be under control if every family is a small family.